Are you a Shopify store owner? Do you want to increase your sales? We have the Shopify theme you need. Our theme will turn your Shopify store into a gold mine. Our theme made an average increase of 3.8% in sales in more than 4,300 stores from all over the world. How? With its clean design and user-friendly tools, our theme will create in your visitors the urgency to buy now. They will instantly become your customers. By using all the tools provided in our theme, you will not only increase your sales, you will also benefit by saving more than $942 per year on apps fees. Join the thousands of successful Shopify store owners around the world that already made our theme their #1 choice. Got a question? Our support team is here to answer your questions. Customer satisfaction is our priority. 94% of our customers agree with us. Our theme is the most powerful theme made for Shopify. Get your license today.
When you need Shopify